Welcome back. So today we're doing a deep dive into something pretty specific.
Right. The relationship between HDTV Supply and Shinybow.
Exactly. HDTV Supply, they call themselves a 24-year global home for audio and video products. We're using one product, the SB-3701BNC amplifier, sort of as a lens.
Yeah, a lens to see how things like, compliance and support really work between a reseller and a manufacturer.
Because 24 years, that suggests it's more than just shipping boxes, right?
Oh, absolutely. They aren't just a simple box mover. That longevity points to a deeper partnership. The interesting bit is how they structure that, especially around liability.
Liability. Okay, how so? What's the evidence for that?
Well, the big one is the warranty. It's a 3-year limited warranty on Shinybow stuff.
Okay. Pretty standard.
Not quite. The key is who handles it. For a replacement, you need verification from both HDTV Supply and Shinybow support teams working together.
Ah, so they're jointly administering it. They share the risk, essentially.
Exactly. That's pretty unusual for just a reseller. It ties them directly to the product's performance long after the sale. It's a big commitment.
Makes sense. And they make it easy to reach this joint team.
Yep, they provide a dedicated number for it. 833-WOLFPACK. That's 833-965-3722. One point of contact.
Okay, so the partnership model is clear. Let's look at the actual hardware that sort of underpins this relationship, the Shinybow SB-3701BNC. What is it?
Fundamentally, it's pretty simple. It's a 1x4 distribution amplifier. Takes one composite video input.
And splits it to 4 identical outputs, like for an old VCR, maybe a camcorder.
Yeah, or classic game consoles, anything using that yellow composite video cable, but with BNC connectors.
Right, BNC, that's the twist and lock kind you see in more professional setups, broadcast, security.
Exactly, not typically a home consumer thing. And while the function sounds basic, the tech specs listed are, well, they're quite high-end.
Like what?
Video bandwidth is cited over 110 megahertz, maybe even up to 440 megahertz in some places. And the slew rate is really impressive, 5,500 volts per microsecond.
Okay, 5,500 volts. For listeners, that basically means it's incredibly fast at replicating the signal voltage changes. It keeps the signal sharp, right? No softening or blurring when it splits.
Precisely. It ensures really high fidelity across all 4 outputs, maintaining signal integrity even with fast-changing video content.
So high specs, professional connectors. And then there's the price. It's listed on sale for $156.60, down from about $198.
Which seems, reasonable, especially when you add the final piece, compliance.
Ah, yes, the TAA compliance. It's mentioned quite a bit.
That's a huge deal.
Why? What does TAA compliance signal here?
It means the product is approved for U.S. federal government purchasing under the Trade Agreements Act. Basically, it certifies the country of origin.
So this isn't just for anyone. It's specifically targeting government contracts.
That seems to be a major angle, yes.
Yeah.
Government agencies have strict procurement rules. They need TAA-compliant gear, often for secure or critical applications. And HDTV Supply is clearly catering to that niche.
So putting it all together, this deep dive shows us that for a specialized reseller like HDTV Supply, being around for 24 years isn't just about selling products.
Right. It's about building these tight relationships with manufacturers like Shinybow, sharing the liability through things like that joint warranty.
And using specific qualifications like TAA compliance to unlock high-value markets like government purchasing. The support structure backs up the compliance claim.
It all connects. The high specs, the professional connectors, the shared support, the TAA stamp. It paints a picture.
Which leads to a final thought for you, the listener.
Yeah, think about this. You have a relatively simple 1x4 video splitter, but it's built with specs like a 5500 VF slew rate, and it's TAA compliant for government use.
What specific, maybe non-obvious critical systems might actually need this kind of high-speed, government-approved composite video splitting? Where would failure be absolutely unacceptable?
Something to ponder. It's likely not just for hooking up old DVD players in a government office.